Apple Cash is a convenient way to send and receive money using your Apple devices. It integrates directly into your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch through the Messages and Wallet apps. This feature makes peer-to-peer money transfers secure and easy. You can send money to friends and family instantly. Apple Cash works through the Messages app for quick transfers during conversations and through the Wallet app for managing your balance. Think of Apple Cash as your digital wallet. Use it to pay for goods and services wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To set up Apple Cash, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. In the Wallet and Apple Pay settings, toggle Apple Cash to activate it. You'll be prompted to add a debit or credit card if you haven't already done so. Your Apple Cash funds are held in a secure, FDIC-insured account managed by Green Dot Bank in the U.S. Setting up Apple Cash requires an Apple ID and agreement to the terms and conditions. The easiest way to send money with Apple Cash is through the Messages app on your iPhone. Start by opening a conversation with the person you want to pay. Once in the conversation, tap the Apple Pay icon in the app drawer below the message field. It looks like a blue Apple logo with a circle around it. Enter the amount you want to send. You can send up to $3,000 per transaction, and most transfers are instant with no fees. Tap Pay and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This ensures secure, private transactions with end-to-end encryption. Once authenticated, the money is sent instantly. The recipient receives it directly in their Apple Cash account, ready to spend or transfer. Alternatively, you can send money via the Wallet app. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Select your Apple Cash card from the cards displayed in the Wallet app. Once selected, tap the Send button to initiate the transfer. Enter the recipient's contact information or select them from your contacts list. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Send to proceed with the transaction. Authenticate the transaction using Touch ID, Face ID, or your passcode. When someone sends you money via Apple Cash, you'll receive a notification on your iPhone. This notification appears instantly in your lock screen or notification center, letting you know about the incoming payment. The money is automatically added to your Apple Cash card balance, which is held in a secure FDIC-insured account. You can view your updated balance right in the Wallet app. You can use this balance to make purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Simply hold your iPhone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. You can also send money to others through Messages or the Wallet app, making it easy to split bills or send gifts. Finally, you can transfer the money to your linked bank account for free withdrawals, giving you access to your funds whenever you need them. To transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank account, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the Wallet app icon to launch it. Once in the Wallet app, select your Apple Cash card from your cards. It shows your current balance. Tap the three dots or button in the corner of your Apple Cash card to access more options. From the menu that appears, choose Transfer to Bank to initiate the transfer process. On the transfer screen, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Apple Cash balance. Then, select the bank account where you want the funds to go. Finally, choose your transfer method. For instant transfer, there's a small fee if the amount is over $500 and funds arrive immediately. The standard transfer is free but takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. Apple Cash prioritizes your security and privacy with multiple layers of protection. Let's explore how it keeps your money safe. First, tokenization replaces your real card number with a unique digital token. This token is meaningless to anyone who intercepts it, ensuring your actual financial information stays secure. Every transaction is encrypted end-to-end, using advanced cryptographic methods. Apple also respects your privacy by never sharing your personal financial information with merchants or other users. Finally, biometric authentication like Touch ID or Face ID adds an extra layer of security. This combination of features keeps fraud rates extremely low, below 0.01%. Here are some essential tips and troubleshooting steps for using Apple Cash effectively. For successful transactions, make sure the recipient has Apple Cash enabled. Always verify the amount you're sending to avoid errors. Remember, there's a limit of $3,000 per transaction in the United States. If you encounter problems, try restarting your device. For further help, reach out to Apple support. If a payment shows as pending, the recipient might need to accept it. Always prioritize security by only sending money to trusted sources.